In China's northernmost Heilongjiang province, a group of rangers have been braving the freezing weather to protect birds and carnivores living in Dongfang Hong Wetland National Nature Reserve. In winter, frozen water surface and extremely cold weather make it hard for wild animals to find food. The rangers have to drive a long way and walk in the snow to feed them.
咱们现在是12个4点，像这样式的密林处吧，咱们就得靠人背了。
Besides daily work, those rangers also visit nearby residents to let the public better understand the importance of wetland protection.
我们这工作吧，真是挺枯燥的。夏天蚊虫叮咬，冬天冻透人。唯一的让我们感觉到欣慰是，在保护工作中，这个动物逐年增多了。
According to the rangers, 216 species of birds and 45 species of animals have been monitored in the wetlands in recent years.